Control blood sugar and reduce your risk of diabetes with the help of an egg. Keeping your blood sugar levels under control is essential if you want to keep your health in good condition. Diabetes is a condition that affects the insulin production, leading to increased blood sugar levels. If left untreated, it can cause many other even more serious health issues. Some of them include kidney issues as well as nerve deterioration. In some cases, diabetes can even cause you to lose a foot or an entire leg. National Federation of the Diabetes, one of the countries with the greatest index of diabetic population is the Philippines. However, the irony is that a Philippine doctor have claimed that he has discovered a homemade remedy that has the ability to fight against diabetes, and it will actually assist in controlling your blood sugar levels in an instant. Homemade remedy against diabetes. Dr. Jaime has claimed that you only need few ingredients that you probably already have at home and your remedy will be ready. According to him, sugar is not the chief issue with diabetes, like people have always believed. It is actually an illness caused by the absence of 6 minerals that are important for the human body. He has performed numerous researches and he has claimed that if you consume these minerals as you should, you will not have any issues with your blood sugar. Ingredients: 12 chili peppers, 2 eggs, ½ teaspoon of marine salt. Preparation: all you have to do is to slice the peppers and crush them thoroughly. Break the eggs and combine them along with the crushed chili. In the end, add the teaspoon of marine salt and mix all of them until you create a liquid mixture. Consume your miraculous homemade remedy for a few days and you will soon notice that your blood sugar levels are going back to normal. You will finally remove the annoying diabetes and you will be able to live a healthy life again. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Do not forget to check out more videos that will appear shortly.